Hi guys, this is Dan and Toby. Welcome back to TD TV. However, we are looking to change our YouTube name, so if you've got any good ideas, please just leave your ideas in the comments box below. Because we had a look after creating that name, TD TV, and there's too many other people with that name. So we want something a bit more unique, a bit more that explains about what me and Toby are doing, which is just messing about with experiments and toys and gadgets and stuff like that. So Tobes, what are we going to do today, mate?
So today we're going to do the, so you know when like you put the Mentos in the Diet Coke and like it just goes that, and that's what we're going to do today, but we're going to put some like little cool things inside.
Yeah, we're going to do a couple of different twists to it, and we'll show you more about that in a minute.
So guys, so I'll tell you what we're going to do, like if we're going to put like, for the twist, I'll show you what we're going to do. In the first one, this one, we're just going to put some normal Mentos and watch it explode up. And then on this one, we're going to put some glitter in it and Mentos and see if it like all shines up and things. And then in the last one, we're going to put food colouring and Mentos and see if the foam will change colour. So, yeah.
So there we've got the food colouring, there we've got the glitter. Look at that, look. Shiny, yeah. And yeah, let's see what happens, eh, Tobes?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. All right then, mate. Well, let's give it a go. So we've got a little Mentos station set up on here, and we've got our bottle ready to go down there. All we need to do now is put some Mentos in it, eh, Tobes?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do the first one, and we'll see what happens.
Why would you do that? You dropped the packet in there.
It didn't really work, did it?
You dropped the packet in there, didn't you? Why would you drop the packet?
So that didn't really work. I dropped the packet in. Better luck next time, eh?
No, it's just going to be Mentos.
Okay, so that didn't really work, but Toby's going to put the rest of the Mentos in anyway and see what happens. It's just going really slowly.
I don't know why I'm just not plopping them in there at the same time.
That's it, put as many in there as you can at the same time. So we need to come up with a different plan for the next one, so that all the Mentos go in at the same time.
Instead of just dropping the packet in there.
Yes, instead of dropping this packet in there. Silly dad. Right, we'll be back in a minute once we've figured this out.
So, hi guys. Right now I'm just going to add the food colouring in.
That's it, squeeze a load of that in there.
Oh, wait, what?
That's alright, keep it going.
The foam's actually turning blue.
Yeah.
And I'm not joking. I'm not the best at this.
You're alright, just get it in there, mate.
Is this meant for cakes?
Yep.
Or gingerbread men?
Anything but Diet Coke, mate, I think.
Anything but Diet Coke.
Is it all in there?
No. Maybe a little bit more.
Cool. Right, let's give it a go, yeah?
Yeah.
Right, here we go.
Run. Did you see that?
Yeah, it was definitely green this time, weren't it?
Yeah.
The food colouring definitely worked.
That was sick.
Nice. Look at all that colour. Look at the foam. Look at the colour of the foam. And look at the water. It looks like green, horrible pond water, don't it?
Yeah. That worked so good.
Yeah, it worked a lot about that time. We figured out a different way to get the Mentos into the Diet Coke. Used a bit of paper instead of the normal roll. Yeah, they're a bit looser and they fell in a bit better. And I didn't drop the whole Mentos tube in there. It didn't work very well that time. So yeah, this time we're going to use the glitter. Yeah. So Toby's just going to put that glitter into the Mentos right now. Oh yeah. Again, is it all in?
Yep.
Oh god, that's making it go. Right.
Ready?
Oh my goodness, look, it's going all just with the glitter. 1,
2, 3. Go! Wow! So right now I'm just going to clean up all the mess we made. It's a bit, you know, horrible. That should do it.
Bit more right at the back.
Stop, please. There we go.
Job done. Thanks for watching that video, guys. Hope you liked it. We certainly enjoyed making it. I think you'll agree that it didn't quite work with the first one and the third one, but the middle one was great. It really worked. We've got a massive rocket of Diet Coke foam, and yeah, it was really, really good. But Toby, tell us about what happened with the first one.
The first one was so funny. So Dad dropped the container thing in the actual bottle, and then the container thing came up like ooh with all the Coke, and then it went plop on the floor, which I thought was quite ridiculous but funny at the same time.
Cool. What about the other one, the second one, where it worked really well?
The second one I loved. Like literally, the blue food dye literally changed the colour, even the black bit, I think. And anyway, the third one, I liked it, but I also didn't, because the glitter already activated it and made it like explode a little bit. So when we put the Mentos in it, it sort of didn't activate it because it was already activated.
That's right. Yeah, when we tried to put the Mentos in, the foam, the glitter had already activated all the sparkles and that, and it just didn't really work very well. But we'll try it again. Maybe I was thinking we're going to get like 6 bottles this time, get some mates and our cousins around and stuff, and we can all put Mentos in the bottles at the same time and just have one massive explosion of like 6 or 7 different bottles. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Toby's got a few things to say.
So guys, remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button to stay notified, and hit the like button, hit the thumbs up button. They're basically the same thing, but anyway, just click the thumbs up button, not a down button. Just remember.
Thumbs up, not down. Thanks, guys, and we'll see you next week with something more exciting. And yeah, you look forward to it. Cheers.